kids! I am Teacher Lily. How are you today? Good! I am good too. I am so excited to learn a lot of things with you. Kids, what would you like to learn? Oh, look! I've got mail. Let's see who is it from. Let's read it together.
Hi, my name is Juliana. Can you help me with my science homework, please? It's about living things and non-living things. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you for your message, Juliana. Come on, let's help Juliana with her homework. Let's go.
Living things are things that are alive. Plants, animals, and humans are living things. Living things need food, water, and air to stay alive. Non-living things are things that are not alive. They do not move by themselves, and they do not need water and food. Some examples of non-living things are bag, toy, car, bike, computer, and clock. Let's play. Which doesn't belong to the group? Are you ready? Let's get started. Jigsaw puzzle. Plants. Motorcycle. Correct! Plants are living things because they are alive and they need water to grow. How about this? Robot, human, giraffe. Excellent! A robot is a non-living thing because it doesn't need food, water, and air. Another one. Dog, pen, shoes. Amazing! A dog is a living thing because it needs food, water, and air to stay alive. And the last one. Cat, bag, bird. Great job! A bag is a non-living thing because it is not alive. You have learned about living and non-living things. Everything in the world is a living thing or a non-living thing.
I am an example of a living thing. You are a living thing too because we need food, water, and air. Can you find living and non-living things around you? That's great! I hope you enjoy learning with me today. See you next time. Goodbye!